The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special
Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Igor Konashenkov Rabu tanggal 29 Juni merilis unit taktis dan Angkatan Udara Rusia, pasukan rudal dan artileri mengeliminir 39 pos komando, 6 depot amunisi, unit artileri dan mortir di 68 area dalam 24 jam terakhir. Igor Konashenkov juga merilis detik-detik serangan rudal presisi tinggi Rusia menghancurkan satu unit Howitzer self-propelled Caesar dari Perancis di Pulau Kubanski, juga prajurit dan peralatan militer angkatan bersenjata Ukraina di 216 area, kata Igor Konashenkov dikutip Tribun Timur hari ini.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. The enemy suffers considerable losses. The 10th Mountain Assault Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine suffered considerable losses during the offensive near Lysychansk oil refinery. According to captured servicemen from this brigade, 108th Battalion has been completely defeated. Only 30 from 350 servicemen remain in this unit. 115th Mechanized, 79th Air Assault and 25th Airborne Brigades of the Ukrainian Armed Forces that operate toward Lysychansk suffer a critical situation in a grocery supply. There are a lot of cases of abandoning positions and desertion due to starving. Attack launched by Russian artillery near Pitomnik, Kharkov region, has resulted in the elimination of up to 100 militants from Kraken Nazi group and about 10 units of combat equipment. Commanders of the militants have decided to abandon the positions and to withdraw the rest of this unit to Kharkov. Russian Federation armed forces continue launching attacks at military facilities located in Ukraine. High-precision attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces have resulted in the elimination of 4 command posts, including those of Kharkov 1 and Kharkov 2 territorial defense battalions near Kharkov, as well as a training base of mercenaries deployed near Nikolaev. The neutralized targets include Ukrainian manpower and military equipment in 32 areas, 1 equipment reparation base near Lysychansk, 8 armament and munitions depots near Shevchenkovo, Kherson region, Spornoye, Donetsk People's Republic, Nikolaev and Chakovo, Nikolaev region, as well as 1 fuel depot near Kulbakino, Nikolaev region. Within the counter-battery warfare, high-precision armament of Russian aerospace forces have neutralized 2 Ukrainian Grad MRLS platoons near Kalinov, Alexandrovo-Kalinovsk, as well as 2 artillery platoons near Avdiivka that had been shelling the settlements of the Donetsk People's Republic. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 39 command posts, 6 munition depots, artillery and motor units in 68 areas, including a unit of French Caesar self-propelled howitzers at Kubansky Island, as well as manpower and military equipment in 216 areas. Operational tactical aviation of the Russian aerospace forces have shot down 1 MiG-29 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Bashtanki, Nikolaev region. In addition, 1 self-propelled launching system of Bukom-1 air defense system near Troitskaya, Odessa region. Russian air defense means have shot down 2 Su-25 airplanes near Kurulka, Kharkov region, Kvitnevoye, Kherson region, and 1 Mi-8 helicopter of Ukrainian Air Force near Arkhangelskaya, Nikolaev region. 9 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down near Veselaya, Ilyichovka, Shostakovo, Pitomnik, Liptsy, Tarnovaya, Sulinovka, Kharkov region, Tomina Balka, Kherson region, Stakhanov and Kantemirovka, Donetsk People's Republic. 7 Ukrainian .U ballistic missiles have been intercepted near Pisky Radkovsky, Kapitolovka, Chervony Oskol, Kharkov region, Tyaginka, Novokondakova, Kherson region, and 8 projectiles launched by MRLS near Kamenka, Brashkovka, Kharkov region, Krymki, Novoselovka, Yarovaka, Donetsk People's Republic, and Dova Snake Island. In total, 221 airplanes and 134 helicopters, 1,391 unmanned aerial vehicles, 351 air defense missile systems, 3,853 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 692 combat vehicles equipped with multiple rocket launching systems, 3,052 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 3,907 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.